Have you seen or envisioned that there's a way to do energy audit at scale across teams? Because I feel like this could be a really helpful process to have to gain more visibility in how the organization feels about
Yeah, so
the things they do.
it's a good question. As I conceptualize the energy audit, I'm just to show sort of how I orient on this stuff. For me, the community is the thing. The community is the piece which really drives all of it. But the way that happened is through dialogue. And so, Jerry, for example, if you and I worked in an organization together, what does it mean is something that I have, if we have one calendar audit, energy audit, and for me it's red, and for you, the meeting's green. Well, the only way for us, for me, from my mental model, for us to really move through that is for me to show up and say, this is where I'm at with this, and you to show up, this is where you are at with this, and let's have a discussion about it. Let's start understanding each other's perspective more. And so it's by a bunch of behaviors like that, which works really well. So what I typically do is like I will have people who are around me, people who report to me or demonstrate the tool to others in the organization, so that they can start applying it. I don't know what's red or green for them, but I can give them a tool to help them to be able to orient themselves and then be able to start taking actions or dialogues to start creating that change. Right? It's not like a centralized control thing. It's very distributed in terms of how I see this tool working within organizations.